Louis bag stuff for directs in it, bitch. Crescent made back, but I'm backing it, bitch. If you wanna show, I'm texting. Link my jacket and it match my lashes. Okay. Girl, that's too much flexing. And y'all in the wrong direction. Low key, I was being.
Welcome back to my channel, Beauty by Bombshell. So, I have this makeup one. I'm going to show you guys how I take off my makeup, the routine that I do, how I take it off, what moisturizer I use after I take it off. So stay tuned. So first, I want to pull off these eyelashes. Good thing is they just come right off. See? You want to make sure that you guys clean your eyelashes before you like do anything else, because you would like to use them again if they are, if you're able to use them again, make sure you clean them. You don't want clunky lashes. So what I'm going to do next is go in with this Skin Active Garnier cleansing water. This product is called Clinques Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips. So this is like the purple one. This one, I like. It feels like oil. Like it's not too harsh to my skin. And I work it in by my eyelashes, because that's where all the makeup glue and caked up from the, lashes that we just put on. So I work it in, massage it in. See it? See how it comes right off? So I just play with it, circle motion. Alright, so that was my makeup remove tutorial. how I remove all the makeup that I put on my face, the foundation, the eyelash glue from your eyelashes, the mascara, the eyeliner, the concealer, all the caked up stuff that I put on my face. This is how I remove it at the end of the day. I usually use 2 products, and if I feel like it didn't really get everything off, then I'll go in with something else. But today, I'm not gonna go in with it. I'm gonna just leave it because I think it took off everything. Yep, it took off everything. Besides this little eyeliner cut. So then I go in with the Shea Butter formula with vitamin E, Palmer's Nature's treatment for soft, radiant skin, unique solid formula. This right here, this baby right here. I've been using this for like a year and change. That's what I do for removing my makeup. I like to make sure that I add extra moisture into my face at the end of the night. I don't want it to go to bed dry. I'm gonna take a towel to make sure I can wipe off extra product. So now I'm back to my natural plain face. So thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, comment below. See you next time. Deuces.
DA got that dope. Ice runners on the lyrics, night calling in a fish.
I fell on the moon cause you know that I got. As long as you are down. Fuck with a nigga, let's get it. I could
Directs in it, Crescent made back, but I'm backing it. If you wanna show, I'm texting. Link my jacket and it match my lashes. Girl, that's too much flexing, and y'all in the wrong direction. Low key, I was being